Hi everyone, let's make this adorable Hello Kitty candy. For this project, I used a silicone cupcake mold. To make Hello Kitty's bows, I used white chocolate with red food coloring, and I filled in the parts of the bows first and waited until they hardened. Once the bows were set, I filled the molds with melted white chocolate. I filled them up to about a third of the way full. While the white chocolate was still soft, I added my toppings. In this version, I added peppermint pieces to make peppermint bark. Wait until the chocolate is completely hardened. You can pop these in the fridge to speed up the process. Once they're hardened, you can slowly remove them from the mold. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and super perfect. Now to add some details. For her nose, I used a food coloring marker to color it yellow. I didn't want to have to bother making little droplets of yellow chocolate, which could be kind of difficult. For the eyes, I used cookie icing, the kind that hardens to the touch. I used the same icing for her whiskers as well. And look at that! Perfection! I made 24 of these little ladies for a holiday party treat exchange. They were a really big hit and they were gone within a minute. I decided to level up and made a giant one. This giant version has two kinds of chocolate, white chocolate and milk chocolate with peppermint pieces. And here's the size comparison next to each other. They're just so cute. It's a shame we're gonna have to smash her face up in order to eat her. But I guess that's what she was made for. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas.